Hello guys, welcome back to my video series of solving LeetCode problems. So let's go to this one, move zeros. It says I solved this, but I probably solved it a long time ago. Yeah, last submission was in 21st of April 2020. I hope I do better now. Description: given an array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Okay. Oh. Okay then. So one thing that we can do is, so all the zeros need to go to the end. So let's say we can replace this 0 with a next character, and then we check the next character. If it's a 0, we replace then, and we go all the way. What we can do is check if the next character is a 0 as well, and then we'll be replacing 0 with 0. So that's not good. So we should replace it with the next non-zero character. Okay, I'm actually going to do this on my terminal, on my VS Code, on my text editor. So make directory 283 move zeros of 28 zeros. Solution.py. Return none. And now solution move zeros, and it's this one. So start index is going to be 0. Just remove this. Start index is going to be 0, and this index will be the one that was just going to navigate through the whole array up to the end. And there will be a second index, which will be the comparing index. So let's say start index is first position. Oh, it is a 0. Then let's iterate the comparing index all the way until we find a non-zero number. Oh, we found it. Okay, so we just replace it. So start index. So for I in range length of nums. Okay, this is bothering me. Let me just import list. So if it's a 0, if nums of I equals 0, or if not nums I, then comparing index equals I plus 1. So for j in range comparing index all the way to length of numbers. Oh, I'm really sleepy. If nums of j is different than 0, then we're going to break, but before breaking, we are going to do a switch. So nums of I and nums of j equals nums of j and nums of I. I think this is good enough. just going to run this. Oh, start index is never. Yeah, I don't need start index. Actually, I don't, because I have this. Comparing index without syntax. Yeah. None. Nums 131200. 131200. Oh, let's see. Let's see if this is good enough. Accepted. But it took forever compared to my solution in April 21st. Let me see what I submitted back then. So I'm iterating through the counts of 0, and I'm removing 0 and appending 0. Oh wow, that makes sense. So I'm removing zeros until there's no more zeros, and I'm appending zeros to the end. Is this more efficient? Like, is this significantly more efficient? I'm actually curious. Let me submit again what I did and see if I just get like a way better results. No, I don't. I was trying not to use these things. I was trying to come up with an algorithm myself, but I guess this is more efficient. Yeah, this is way more efficient. So, yeah, Lazy Alex from 2020 did it better. Hope you guys enjoy this.